Pinanginota ni Police General Benjamin Acorda Jr. ang 122nd Police Service Anniversary kang Bicol PNP sa Kampo General Simeon O. Languña na Aldao, Oktubre 13. Kasabay kan okasyon, pigrekognisar man ni Philippine National Police Chief Acorda ang espesos kang kapulisan, nga ni mamantinir ang maray na pasi orden sa rehiyon, lalo na ang pagpuo sa illegal na droga, asin ang pagkakadakupman kang high-value individuals na saro subot indikasyon kung guraano kadedikado sa indang propesyon ang sa indang kapulisan sa Bicol.
Of Pro5 in the realm of investigation is truly commendable. Through aggressive law enforcement operations, you have achieved significant results in addressing the 8 focused crimes. The statistics are impressive. Out of 8,350 incidents, 7,825 cases have been cleared and 6,695 cases have been solved. Your crime clearance efficiency of 93.71% and crime solution efficiency of 80.18% are truly remarkable.
Pigrekognisar man ni Acorda ang pagtabang kan kapulisan sa komunidad. Arog kang pagtaong sustainable potable water supply sa mayon evacuees, Project Tanglaw asin ang iba pang inisyatibo kan PNP Bicol.
Commitment to community welfare and youth empowerment. The trust rating of 74.31% that Pro5 received during the first quarter of calendar year 2023 is a testament to the quality of your police services. These results underscore the community's recognition of your dignified and respectful service.
Sentro man kang pagtiripon ang pagbisto sa personahes kang PNP Bicol na nagpahiling ninda yupot na pagmakulog sa komunidad. Arog ninda Police Lieutenant Colonel Darwin Asejo, asin Police Captain Ivan Kabukayan, kan Sorsogon Provincial Police Office. Siring man ang 5 personahes kan Daraga Municipal Police Station, na natawan ning medalya ning kadakilaan na sinda Police Lieutenant Colonel Edmindo Cirillo Jr., Police Master Sergeant Joseph Luzardo, Police Staff Sergeant Abraham Villanueva III, Police Corporal Lister May Baratillo, asin Police Corporal John Eric Pabia. Natawan man ni special awards for good deeds ang komandansya kang Camarines Norte Provincial Police Office, asin Police Lieutenant Colonel Jefferson Araujo kang Regional Mobile Force Battalion Bicol. Siring man ang Regional Medical Dental Unit Bicol, Regional Forensic Unit Bicol, Sorsogon Police Provincial Office, Sorsogon City Police Office, Daet Municipal Police Station, Camarines Sur 1st Provincial Mobile Force Company, 501st Maneuver Company asing Regional Mobile Force Battalion Bicol na natawan man ng rekognasyon. Special Unit Awardee man ang Naga City Police Office, 5th Regional Mobile Force Battalion, asin Naga City Mobile Force Company. Natawan man ng pagbisto ang piling non-uniform asin uniform personnel kang PNP Bicol. Sigun kay Police Brigadier General Westrimundo Obinque, Regional Director kang PNP Bicol, dakulang onra na nakaiba nindang magselebra sa nasabing dakulang pagtiripon ang mismong pamayo kan PNP.
We are grateful for the guidance and support of our Chief PNP and his recognition of our own contributions in helping realize his vision for our organization. And more importantly, for the unwavering support of our community, the dedication of our officers, and the commitment of our partners and stakeholders. Together, we have made a difference in the lives of the people we serve.
Kasabay kan selebrasyon, ang pag-turnover man kang 20 bagong patrol jeeps asin sarong personal carrier na pigdonar kan gobyerno probinsyal kan Sorsogon. Anom sa 20 patrol jeeps itatao sa Kapalonga Municipal Police Station, Daet Municipal Police Station, Jose Panganiban Municipal Police Station, San Vicente Municipal Police Station, asin Santa Elena Municipal Police Station sa Camarines Norte. 8 kay ni itatao sa Camarines Sur Provincial Police Office, siring sa Bombon Municipal Police Station, Buhi Municipal Police Station, Kabusaw Municipal Police Station, Kanaaman Municipal Police Station, Sangay Municipal Police Station, asin si Pokot Municipal Police Station, asin sa Iriga City Police Station. Anom sa Sorsogon Provincial Police Office na itatao sa Kasiguran Municipal Police Station, Castilla Municipal Police Station, Huban Municipal Police Station, Magallanes Municipal Police Station, Prieto Diaz Municipal Police Station, asin sa Sorsogon City Police Station. Mantang saro naman sa POV Corpus kan Masbate Provincial Police Office, asin sa Regional Mobile Force Battalion Bicol. May 38 medical kits man na pigdistribuer para sa medical teams kan Provincial Regional Office 5. Pigbendisyonan asin piginaguraran man ang bagong Quick Response Team Standby Area, bagong opisina kang Regional Forensic Unit 5, asin PNP Bicol Armory and Warehouse. Pig-turnover man ang 300 na units kang Basic Assault Rifle MTAN, caliber 5.56mm, asin Internal Security Operations Equipment. Para sa mga baretang tatak Bicol, May Arango.